What is continuous insulation? Continuous insulation is an EPS foam application that encases the home with insulation and eliminates thermal bridging and increases energy efficiency within the home. Introducing continuous insulation into the home, you'll easily meet and exceed energy codes. Continuous insulation will eliminate the inefficient methods that most builders use to stay compliant. To stay in compliance with energy codes, builders have to increase the stud size to add insulation. This costs more money and unnecessary product. Continuous insulation also eliminates thermal bridging, which is a loss of energy. This happens in locations with inefficient building products, like the stud, that has little to no R value. By having the entire house continuously insulated, this eliminates thermal bridging. That is why StarRfoam has developed two continuous insulation products to increase energy efficiency. StarRGard Non-Structural Insulation, StarRStruc Structural Insulation. StarRGard Non-Structural Insulation is a 3-in-1 product with 3 main features. 1. It increases R value to eliminate thermal bridging over the studs. This will help meet the prospective code requirements and add to the performance scores. 2. It serves as a water-resistant barrier and eliminates the need for house wrap. 3. It serves as an air barrier. This will help meet the difficult air change code requirements. StarRStruc Structural Insulation has all the same features as StarRGard, but is a 4-in-1 product. StarRStruc is used for structural lateral bracing and transverse wind load resistance. StarRfoam continuous insulation can be placed over any existing structural sheathing option and is the future of efficient building.